We love peace. Our Maharaja, Rajit Vikram Kishan Manika Bahadur, love peace and prosperity within the state of Tripura. So that's why we are here not to commit any violence. We are here for our demand. We are here to show the movement of unity within the people of Tripura. We are here to pressurize the government of India that we the Tripurans need greater Tripura land in the state of Tripura. Why are you discriminating us? Why are the Tripuris people, why are the Tripura people has been discriminated since from 72 years? As we all know this, that Tripura is the privileged state of Tripura. And now we have become the smallest, and we have become totally the microscopic minority within the state of Tripura. That's why we need the permanent solution. We need the constitutional rights. We need the constitutional solution. That's why we are demanding our core demand. There is greater Tripura land to save the people of Tripura as Tripura. We are not here against any Bengalis communities. We are not here against the Sakmas communities. We are not here against the Manipuris community. We are not here against the Muslim community. Please, I would like to urge my request to each and all the communities of Tripura who are residing here. Please support us. We love peace. We love harmony. We love prosperity. Why are you not supporting our demand? Why don't you feel the pain? Why don't you understand the pain of Tripura? We have been suffering a lot. Let us bring the brotherhood. Let us bring the sisterhood organization. Come, let us help each other to bring as a united, to come as a peace, to come as unity, as to live in Tripura.
अगर इस बंद के बाद गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया भी कोई इशारा नहीं है तो आप लोग इसके बाद क्या?
अगर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हमारी मांग को पूरी नहीं किया तो हम लोग और भी बंद करेगा. हम लोग अगर if it is required, we are going for indefinite route blockade. We are not here as Tripura. We are going to show the government of India as indefinite route block. Let us see. You just wait and watch. The government of India should know. वो लोग समझना पड़ेगा कि हमारा डिमांड क्या है, हमारा दिल के अंदर क्या है, हम लोग क्या बीत रहे हैं. हम लोग आज जो यहाँ पर आने वाले किसी को पैसा देकर नहीं आया ये लोग. हाँ, ये लोग सच्चे में चाहते हैं ग्रेटर त्रिपुरा होना चाहिए त्रिपुरा के अंदर में. हम लोग चाहते हैं, यही हमारा मैसेज देना चाहते हो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को. प्लीज़ आप सोचिए, हम भी इंडियन से, वी आर इंडियंस फर्स्ट, लेटर वी आर त्रिपुरा.
थैंक यू. आपका शुभ नाम?
सूरज देवर्मा, YTF जनरल सेक्रेटरी.
थैंक यू.